Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Mr. Walsh in Annapolis, Maryland. Now, Mr. Walsh, please send me your contact information or call me because I did not find contact information inside the box. No phone number nor email. I mean, maybe it's on the label here. No, I don't see any. So please give me a call because your unit is repaired. If you watch this video, your unit is ready to go. Might need to align the plate just a little bit here. Oh, that's about it. So this is a 6-cylinder ASR throttle body. It's been rewired because wires were pretty bad. Yeah, they were like, badly damaged, but not extremely badly. Like I had these units right here. These wires were totally shot. These ones, they were like about 70% bad, 30% more or less. So from scale of 1 to 10, 1 being good, 1 being like bad and 10 being good, I would say they were like 3, 4, something like that. Whereas these were like 1 out of 10, they were worse. So that's just an example. So this is how the unit looks. It's been on the bench for about maybe 16 hours by now. I did not do coil because the unit looks clean inside, doesn't seem to have any overheating signs, and I think the coil is going to be just fine, so we'll leave it alone. As we see, temperature is about 103. These also same, and the cold unit hovering around mid-60s. So just to show that this unit had been energized for quite a long time. So we have, like I said, we have activations, no problems. And let's take a look at our underside here. This is how it looks. It cleaned off quite well. And let's take a look at readouts. Now these are our readings: 0.43, 4.24, 4.25. That's about average readouts I always get with this particular module I'm testing it with. So we open the throttle slightly, micro switches flip, and voltages follow. So as you can see, this is totally working unit, and I don't have any issues with it anymore. So yes, it came in, I plugged it in, it actually activated, but again, I only did it for a brief second because if there are any shorts in cables, then they can actually damage the control module, and of course I do not want that to happen. And I unplugged it and I rewired it, and only after it was rewired I can actually connect it to my control module for a long period of time. Now before I totally close it, I'm gonna also do is, as you can see, these bolts are not tight yet, because always at the end I double check potentiometer for play, just in case. So we probably can just do it now as I'm making this video, just so you know. I'm gonna close the case and it's going to be ready to go. So yeah, let's just do that, because this is pretty much a final bench test video. I have another unit to go in this unit's place on the bench, so I need my bench time. As we see, potentiometer is very nice and clean, so I don't see any kind of sign of overheating here. And this is what I want to do. I want to just move this a little bit just to see if throttle activates and it works. Yes, it does. So I can say that potentiometer, 90% case, 90% chance that it is okay. If it would have been broken, it probably would have just closed. It will just shut off. Now I have to line this up very carefully, extremely carefully actually, because I don't want to break potentiometer at this point. I usually do it on my workbench, but since I'm making this video, might as well do it while at it. Nope. Yes. Okay. So here it is lined up, and I'm going to basically tighten this all up, and unit will be ready to go. But like I said, if you're gonna be watching this video, please call me, because I don't have your contact information. Maybe some emails somewhere. I'm gonna look up my emails just to see, maybe you send me an email, so I'm going to look. But please, if you watch this, just call me so I can mail this back to you, so you can put it back on your vehicle. So I'm gonna just give it a little snug, but then I'm going to tighten them, of course, once I put camera down. So alright, so we're basically good to go with this unit, ready to be mailed out. I did connect it a little differently from I usually do, half plastic weld, half glued, but this is actually, I think I'm going to be doing connectors that way ever from now on. It takes a little longer, but it holds a little better. It's just more convenient for me to put them back together, because you want them to be sealed. Okay, so this is it. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.